Is it time to buy or sell Asana stock? In this video, we will explore Asana in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of September 2025, our system has ranked Asana as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.11. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 2.23%. This equates to an average return of 1.11% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 1.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -7.9% to +10.6%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 0.447%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -20.35% to +94.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.33 and $27.73. Our latest daily update for Asana includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Asana Inc. The Asana Inc. stock price gained approximately 2.23% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025. The stock rose from $13.92 to $14.23. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.48%, with a low of $13.68 and a high of $14.30. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 3.12% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume has increased, with 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 7 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $97.29 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $27.77, while the lowest was $11.05. Currently, the price is 48.76%, or $13.54, below the 52-week high, and 90.24%, or $131.56, below the all-time high on November 15, 2021, when the price peaked at $145.79. Asana experienced a significant increase in value after reporting its fiscal second quarter results, which exceeded expectations. The company reported earnings of 6 cents per share, compared to a consensus forecast of 5 cents, and a loss of 5 cents from the previous year. In response to this news, the stock rose. Management emphasized the quarter's focus on artificial intelligence adoption, showcasing the Asana Work Graph and AI Studio as key drivers of productivity. The company also highlighted important strategic achievements, including availability in the new Amazon Web Services Marketplace AI Agents storefront and a in-process designation from FedRAMP at the moderate level, which will help them serve public sector and regulated clients. Taken together, the earnings beat and positive commentary create a clear short-term effect, an increase in investor sentiment, buying momentum, and intraday volatility as traders react to the unexpected results. Looking ahead, the successful rollout of AI products, wider distribution through Amazon Web Services, and FedRAMP clearance could expand Asana's addressable market, increase annual recurring revenue for enterprises, and enhance profit margins. However, the outcomes will depend on sustained customer adoption, guidance, and effective competition against rivals. Expect ongoing volatility until management demonstrates revenue growth and consistent margin performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned ASAN an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, Jefferies rated ASAN with a hold grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, UBS gave ASAN a market outperform grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, RBC Capital rated ASAN with an underperform grade and a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, RBC Capital also assigned ASAN an underperform grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned Asana stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Asana. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these may influence the near short-term development. The stock of Asana Inc. holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $14.26 and $14.30. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 29, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 2.53%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal was indicated 3 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted 16 days ago. The short-term moving average, a sell signal was shown 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal, was also indicated 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal, was noted 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a sell signal, was indicated 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was noted 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal, was present 119 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Asana. Asana Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $14.14, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day and with satisfactory trading volume. The risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 613 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 4.48%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Asana, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of September, 2025. Analysts are currently estimating earnings of 5 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Asana. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Asana is at $14.72. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Asana faces its first support level at $14.14. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Asana from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Moscovitz Dustin A., who bought and sold 1,018,671 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 31.35. In total, insiders acquired 17,911,851 shares and sold 9,443,578 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Asana stock a good buy? Asana Incorporated currently displays several negative signals and is trending downwards. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we expect Asana to open lower by approximately 16 cents, starting at $14.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.